RC G19 Gen 5 MOS license unit with complete Glock markings, naka metal slide, and then lower frame is polymer. Firing mode is semi-auto, and then may serial number, guys. Ayan, unique serial number with under rail for accessory attachment. So may groove yung grip nya with Glock markings and Glock base plate. So guys, pakita ko lang yung kasama sa box. So itong unit na to is may kasama na siyang plates for optic attachment. So 4 na plates yan. Sorry, parang 5. 1, 2, 3. Yan. So 5. And then guys, dual power system na siya. So may available na rin tayong aftermarket na Glock 19 CO2 magazine. Yan, kumuha na rin si sir ng CO2 couplets. Per couplet pala 50 shots. Sige, test natin guys. Firing. Price is 9,800. Check nyo na lang sa Google Drive natin. Glock 19 Gen 5.